What is up, you guys? My name is Devin. If you're new to my channel, welcome. How you doing? Stay a while, sit down, get comfortable. And if you aren't new and you are OG, how you doing? My name is Devin, obviously, y'all know now. But anyway, so today's video, I'm gonna be talking about my hair. So, these dreads, I'm just gonna be talking about them. Once I redo them, I'm gonna actually show you guys like how I transform them, because they don't come like this. They're pretty long. I know my camera can't like reach, but like them just like chilling, they come a little bit past my belly button. But then like if I like go down here, if I like stretch it, it goes like to the middle of my butt. But I am obsessed with these. Now these are the third times I've used these. I don't have like the packaging, but I did record like a little clip, and I'll insert that over there when I first got them. And I believe the brand is like Afri Natural. I don't know. I got them in the color T18 and 18 inches, and they are curly when you get them. So they look like this. When you first get them, they're gonna look like this. Just, you know, like that. But I transformed these regular FAUX locks into goddess locks, and I made them straight and then the ends wavy. And the hair that I used at the ends, because as you can see, so they only, let me try to find one. So this is like the natural color of it. But you know, I don't really do just one color, you know? We don't do that. So the T18, they start from like this, I don't know, golden brown-ish, light blonde, dark blonde color, and they go into like another color, 27. But I added some more highlights in here, as you can see. Like, oh, I'm obsessed with these. Like, this is like my color. Like, Beyonce, scoot over, because actually, no, I'm just kidding. Beyonce, stay right there. I'm gonna scoot the hell over. But yeah, so this is the color. So it's like a 27, and so what I did was I used some braiding hair. So I got a little creative, okay? Because I like the goddess look style, but I don't want to have to braid and then wrap the whole thing, because who got the time? Not me. So what I did was I boiled these, so then they're like straight. So that gives it some more length. And then what I do is at the ends, I like brush the ends out, and then like kind of like split the end, and then like put like a piece of this in the middle and super glue it. So I have some that are pretty decent that you really can't tell, but then there's some like, okay, so like this one, you can't like see anything. And then I have like some of the lighter pieces. This one's like I didn't put a lot of like light pieces in this one, but as you can see, like if you look hard enough, you can, damn, I can't even see it. But then I have some that are like kind of ratchet, but y'all know I don't really care, because, oh, this is another one that looks pretty decent. Like you really can't just see like where the hair is, you know? I'm trying to find one that where you could, oh, okay, like this one. And then like I have like some like this where you can literally just see like the knot and then the super glue. But first off, ain't nobody about to be that close to me, okay? So I don't really care that much. And it's also because the last installs, this is my third time reusing this. But the last installs I had it curly, like wavy curly. Now I just have it more straight wavy. And I kind of like the straight wavy look because it's easier. And I don't know, I'm just so about it. Like I really wish I can like show you guys how far, I mean, hold on. As you can see, this is what they sort of look like. But yeah, so I'm just letting you know that I'm gonna show a tutorial on how I like completely redo these, and like, I think I'm gonna actually buy some new ones though, because it's about that time. They still look good for being like, I bought these, when did I actually originally buy these? I bought these in February, and it's the end of April, so, and I already used them 3 times. So I have like little like gold strands in here, and then I have regular like little beads, and then I also have some shells. I think here. So we kind of festive. We spring ready, baby. You know what I'm saying? I don't think I'm gonna be doing any more darker dreads until like the fall, because this color, and I also like it because it makes me look darker because it's lighter. So, because y'all know I like to look chocolate, and I'm still not chocolate, but you know, whatever. But yeah, I just want y'all to get a good look. Like, I'm so impressed with myself. Like, Devin, you did that. Like, you did that. I'm gonna put it in a ponytail and show y'all how that looks really quick. So this is how I also wear it. It would be better than this, but I can't find none of my ponytails, so I just use the hair to wrap around. Like, normally like this would be, you know, nice and perfect. But I either wear it like this, you know, and I'd be like, what you say? Who? And then I just go ahead and put it in my bun, which I normally do. And this is how I also wear it. But yes, so I just wanted to come and show this really quick video. I know I've just been like MIA on YouTube, and I just said I was back, but then I'm not really back. But I'm back, you know? It's just the space, like this is like literally the only place I can film. Like, this ain't that cute, it's boring. I'm gonna get a new backdrop though. I want a new like color, like an orange. Oh, an orange. Okay, but anyway, off topic as usual. But yes, that was it. I was just showing you how I do it, and I said I'm gonna do another video. Oh, pause. I posted that I'm redoing my lip gloss video because I recorded it, but I just did not like the footage. I seemed like so like dead and just like, oh, this lip gloss. Like, I just wasn't, maybe I was moody that day. I don't know. But I'm redoing it because, But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know, I'm just really excited. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Peace in the Middle East. And I will holler at you in my next video. Bye, guys.